Welcome to new video. This is resume where last video ended. We're heading home. Not much really to talk about, so just enjoy the ride. Nice music. Nice beat. I never knew NCS got so nice music. Nice overtake, bro. Watch this. My driving school instructor. Really funny guy. Beautiful view. I really never noticed it's so nice because I'm local. I don't even notice it. I've seen this million times, but on video it looks kind of different. What the hell, bro? Nice. My area is a really nice place to live.
Radio edit.
Thanks, roadside. That's really cool.
The closer you got to me, the faster I try to leave. Like a mirage, like a mirage.
Metkovic already. I'm close to home now. Nice view. we're approaching downtown. Almost. Downtown. Macklemore's song would be perfect for this, but copyright law is problem. Nice walking trail. Metkovic is evolving lately. Lately means last 2 or 3 years. Here goes a bit of traffic. But it's very easy to solve. Watch this. One by one. Scooter is king of the city. My favorite X place to lean. It's X because border is open now.
These roads intersect, on each one I reflect.
Nice song again.
These lines write my story. These places change me, each one replacing, like night into morning.
Almost home. Riding with you. Perfect song for riding.
Guess I'm better off alone. Never know when I'll get home, but I know that
Homes are the hardest.
guess I'm better off this way. Moving to better days, but I know that home's where the heart is.
Hi, doggy. This is nice.
The endless journey, I need not worry. I'll get where I'm going. I made it this far beyond where you are, and I'll keep on growing.
And that's it for this video, guys. Thanks for watching. If you like my stuff, please share and subscribe. Don't forget to hit that little bell to turn on notifications, and see you in my next video, guys. Bye.